Looking for the ultimate ride that's stable, fun, and eco-friendly? Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just exploring the outdoors, electric trikes offer unbeatable comfort and balance. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric trikes you can buy today. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Viribus Folding Electric Trike. Viribus Folding Electric Trike is a practical 3-wheel ride designed to support everyday transportation for adults, seniors, and women. Built with a foldable frame and 16-inch wheels, this electric tricycle is easy to store and transport, making it suitable for city rides, quick errands, or casual outdoor trips. Its compact size allows it to fit inside vehicles for travel or storage. Equipped with 2 seats, this trike can carry both the rider and an additional passenger or small items on the rear seat, which supports up to 55 pounds. This makes it convenient for carrying children, groceries, or light luggage during short commutes. The trike features 3 riding modes including standard pedaling, throttle-powered, and pedal assist. Riders can switch between these modes based on terrain, energy level, or travel needs. The onboard color screen displays current speed, travel distance, and battery percentage, helping users track their ride in real time. Number 4. Meetone Electric Adult Tricycle. The Meetone Electric Adult Tricycle is designed to prioritize rider comfort and stability while offering enough power for everyday errands and light off-road adventures. At its core is a 500-watt motor paired with a 48-volt, 12-amp-hour lithium battery, capable of delivering up to 30 miles on a full charge. This makes it ideal for users looking for reliable transportation without frequent recharging. This trike features a sturdy steel frame with a low step-through design, which simplifies getting on and off the bike. It can support riders weighing up to 330 pounds, offering strong structural support for larger riders. The 24-inch front and rear tires are designed to handle different terrains, giving the trike versatility for city streets and park trails alike. Comfort is enhanced by a wide cushioned seat with back support and adjustable height settings, so you can customize your seating position. The handlebars are ergonomically designed for easy grip and control, reducing strain on long rides. Number 3. Mooncool Folding Electric Tricycle. The Mooncool Folding Electric Tricycle stands out with its unique foldable design, making it one of the most portable options on the market. This feature is perfect if you need to store your trike in small spaces, like apartments or car trunks, or if you want to take it along on trips. Despite its compact fold, the trike does not compromise on power or performance. Powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor and a 48-volt 10.4-amp-hour lithium battery, the Mooncool trike offers up to 30 miles of range. It provides 3 modes: full electric, pedal assist, and manual pedaling, so you can choose the riding style that suits your needs and conserve battery when necessary. Number 2. Qlife 48V Electric Tricycle for Adults. The Qlife 48V electric tricycle combines powerful performance with thoughtful design tailored for adult riders who want both comfort and utility. Equipped with a 750-watt brushless motor, this electric trike can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for city commuting or weekend rides. The battery is a removable 48-volt, 15-amp-hour lithium pack that supports up to 40 miles on a single charge, so you can cover long distances without worrying about running out of power. One of the main highlights of the Clife trike is its robust steel frame, which ensures durability while maintaining rider comfort. The step-through design allows easy mounting and dismounting, especially helpful for riders with limited mobility or flexibility. Its 3 large 20-inch tires provide stability and excellent traction, whether you're riding on pavement or light off-road paths. The rear cargo basket is generously sized and lockable, perfect for shopping trips or carrying personal items safely. Number 1. NARRAK Electric Trike for Adults. The NARRAK Electric Trike for Adults is a game-changer for those who value stability and strength. With a 750-watt rear hub motor and a removable 48-volt, 13 ampere-hour lithium battery, this trike offers up to 45 miles of range per charge. Whether you're cruising on full electric or pedal assist mode, the ride is smooth and reliable. One of its standout features is the low-step aluminum frame, making it ideal for seniors or anyone with mobility concerns. Its three-wheel design and wide 24-inch tires provide excellent balance and grip, even on uneven paths. Let us know which one caught your eye or if you have experience with any of these. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.